It's a 10-week internship. They really hit the ground running. We've tackled some hands-on stuff by touring facilities and seeing different parts of our company as a whole. And then they've done hands-on stuff to help reduce contamination levels in different communities.
I was really interested in doing this internship.
I'm an environmental studies major and a business double minor, so I'm interested in the corporate side of sustainability.
The waste management industry plays a really strong role in sustainability initiatives.
I think it's something that affects everyone and that we should be thinking about as we move forward in the future towards a greener world.
Like if you think about it, every single part of our day, you need the trash gone, you need the recycling gone, and I thought it was a great opportunity to really get kind of a bottom to top overview of the company.
The most effective way to get people to recycle is to go out and let them know if they're doing a good job or a not so good job.
Give them a little sticker that's like, hey, next time try not to put any bags in, and then the next time it's great. People really respond really well to this kind of stuff.
We just did it in Biddeford and the contamination rates already went lower.
It's important to have people that are knowledgeable, just like this group of interns, to continue to share that education across eventually the whole world.
I think it's extremely important to kind of do some educational campaigns and get people involved and teach them a little bit about how their efforts can go a really long way in the end.
Casella has a really great family vibe to it.
I really enjoyed my time here and I definitely would work for Casella in the future.
It's gone great. I really like how everyone gets to collaborate together.
They just have a really awesome kind of tight-knit community and they give you a lot of freedom to learn and grow.